Hey guys, good morning. It's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen, and today I am doing a fun hike here in Arizona. This is the hike to Seven Falls, which is a popular hike here in Tucson, Arizona. This is going to be a long hike today, so I'm getting started very early. I was supposed to start at 7, but I decided to get breakfast just to fuel up before starting the hike. But yeah, here I am about to do this hike and take y'all with me. So this is a 7-mile hike, I think. And I'm supposed to hike to a really beautiful waterfall, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, excited to take y'all along this hike. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's get hiking. I purposely wore my running shoes because I don't mind them getting wet and soaked. So yeah, there's supposed to be like 7, I think, river crossings on this trail. But we'll see how many I can do without getting my feet wet. This is river crossing number 2, and this one is a little deep. I already got my shoes wet, so might as well at this point. There's no escaping it, but this is so beautiful. Feet definitely got soaked, but it feels good. The water feels actually good. It's like refreshingly cold. Really should have brought my sandals, but it is what it is. So beautiful here. So beautiful and peaceful. If y'all can see, but there goes the falls down there. That's where I'm about to go. And this place is absolutely beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. The whole trail is just very scenic. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. Absolutely beautiful. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Big Bend National Park, except Big Bend doesn't have all the cactus growing everywhere, but it just reminded me of Big Bend for sure. But it's so beautiful. Let's go down there and check out the falls, because that's what we came here to see. Yeah, this area is so beautiful. I decided to put my sun hoodie on because it's getting really hot, and yeah, I'm not trying to get any more burnt than I already am. It's so beautiful. The water felt really nice and cold. I really should have jumped in, but I was not prepared for that. But maybe next time. There's a lot more people now than there was before, but I really like that there's plenty of space here to like spread out, relax, eat a snack, get in the water if you want to. Yeah, definitely recommend coming here. This is the Seven Falls Trail here in Tucson, Arizona, and it's just so beautiful. I'm about to hike back down and praying to God that the sun does not kill me, because I can already feel it's getting hot. In the shade it actually feels nice, but once you get in the sun it's super hot. The sun hoodie is about to come through for me. I made it back to my car, and yeah, that hike was so beautiful. I highly recommend it. That's the Seven Falls Trail. 10 out of 10 views all around. It does get very hot, so I would recommend for sure don't forget your hat like I did, and try to do this early. I started at 8 and I got back in my car like around 1. It's like 1:30 right now, so I just got in my car a few minutes ago. So you can definitely do it as a half-day hike thing. I did spend like about 30-45 minutes at the falls, just like sitting there taking it all in, because it's just so beautiful. But definitely this is a great half day. You can make it a full day thing if you want, but it does get really hot, so definitely start early. I wish I started at like 7 a.m. honestly, but it's okay. I had to eat, and I'm glad I did, because now I'm hungry, but I'm not like dying of hunger, so that's good. So yeah, it's a beautiful hike today. Right now I am gonna go get some food. I'm gonna check out this really popular spot. It's a Mexican restaurant, I think. Have to double check, but pretty sure it's a Mexican restaurant, and get some food in my system. And then I'm gonna spend the rest of the day relaxing. I am checking into a really cute hotel, so I'm so excited about that. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. Yesterday I ran the half marathon, but I did not take my GoPro with me, which I kind of regret because the views, so beautiful. It was at Tucson Mountain Park and it was absolutely beautiful. And next time I go on a vacation race, I'm definitely taking my GoPro with me so I can take y'all on the run. Run was really hard, but man, so beautiful. Nothing beats running with a view. Like, yeah, it was beautiful. Thank you for coming along this adventure with me. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next hike.